Welcome back to the super special Parsha Shabbat edition. This week's Parsha, as you know, is Parsha Vayakel Pekutei, double Parsha. It's also Parsha Chodesh, good to know. In this week's Parsha, the first pasuk says, Vayakel Moshe et kol adat bnei Israel. Imagine, Moshe Rabbeinu gathers the entire nations. Him, oh, and even him. He brings them all together. He says, guys, there is something called Shabbat. Shehu? People are looking around, Shabbat. What's Shabbat? Now you're probably looking at your screen right now, you're like, Rebbi, come on, seriously? On Shabbat, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't do this, you can't do that. Oh, did I mention you can't do that either? Why is Shabbat so special? Good question. Our rabbis explain that Shabbat has a special power about it. Why do you think on Shabbat the food tastes very different than the regular days of the week? Shabbat, as you know, it gives life to the rest of the week. The rabbis say that if we didn't keep Shabbat, if there was not anyone in the world keeping Shabbat, the world would cease to exist. The reason why we are existing right now and you're alive, I am alive, everyone's alive, is because we're always constantly keeping Shabbat Kodesh. Someone once that was Mechalel Shabbat, he didn't keep Shabbat, unfortunately. And he went over to the Chafetz Chaim. The Chafetz Chaim was a great big rabbi, lived from 1839 to 1933. And he went to the Chafetz Chaim and says, Rabbi, can I please have a blessing? Can I please have beracha? The rabbi says, sure. He says, do you keep Shabbat? He says, no, I don't. Rabbi Chafetz Chaim looks at him and says, what? He says, don't come to me for a beracha. You have something even greater. Go to Shabbat Kodesh. Keep Shabbat, and that will be your biggest bracha. That will be your biggest blessing. Keep Shabbat. Boys, this is what Moshe Rabbeinu is telling us in this week's Parsha. You want the blessing? You want all the berachot in the world? Keep Shabbat. You want the world to keep existing? You want to stay alive? You want your family to be healthy? You want you want to be wealthy? You want all the blessings? Keep Shabbat Kodesh to the best, to the max. One way I'll tell you, boys, that I love to keep Shabbat. You know me, you could probably understand that I love to keep Shabbat by singing. That's how I like to guard and enjoy my Shabbat, by singing different songs. This week we're going to learn a special song. It goes like this. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I wanted to wish each and every one of you and your families a Shabbat Shalom. And God willing, Be'ezrat Hashem, we're going to see each and every one of you live in person. Shabbat Shalom to everyone!